Avalanches can occur in the summer under certain conditions, although they are less common than during the winter months. Summer avalanches usually happen in high-altitude areas where there is still snowpack from the previous winter, or in areas with glaciers. Summer avalanches can be triggered by a variety of factors, including snowmelt. As temperatures rise, the snowpack can become unstable and start to melt, which can increase the risk of avalanches. Rain. Heavy rain can also make the snowpack unstable and increase the risk of avalanches. Rockfall. Rockfall can dislodge snow and trigger an avalanche. Human activity. Hikers, climbers, and other outdoor enthusiasts can trigger avalanches by disturbing the snowpack. It is important to be aware of the risk of avalanches